filming at the weekend because we're heading down to Eglinton for a private drift day. A couple of mates are going down and we're taking their cars, Lexus and the GT86. But one of my mates, the one with the GT86, he's having a few niggles and problems with it. So I'm heading over to Fifes for him here today. He's actually in work and Fifes is only up the road for me. So I said I'd head over and grab some Diff oil. So I thought I'd start the vlog midweek. Going well then?
Yeah, that's all right. That's all right. Both driveshafts out. You look on the roof. Some bits. Grandad.
Usual.
Hi. Airbag light on. They're going to charge me 70 plus VAT for the diagnostic and that. I'll tell you why there's an airbag light on, because there's no airbag in the steering wheel. We're looking £70 plus VAT for one tyre. Nope. 23 plus VAT for brakes, brake flex pipe bracket loose. Okay. Rear diff leaking oil. Now we're getting to the reason.
When was that from?
Whenever the motor had to come out for the valve spring recall in February.
Oh, they just checked the whole car over?
Yeah, they give me this here. Tells you all that's wrong. Anything green is good.
Was it the book you stole?
No, the book is still in the boot.
Alright.
The book I stole, I didn't actually steal it. They stupidly left it in the car. But for legal purposes in this video, I'm going to say it's on the phone. They left it. It's the recall newsletter. And you can... Interesting.
I've just realised they are now different colours.
Yeah. See if you get close enough, you'll realise they're completely different from almost every day, apart from the face.
They are, I can see from here actually now.
I think they're going to go that colour.
Yeah, I think that colour like.
I think so. It'll blend in lovely with the red, will it not?
Yes, it will. Looks so nice in that car.
Yeah, it'll be the first one ever. First in Northern Ireland to have it.
Can't wait to see it on this GT86.
And it. Alright, so the reason we're changing the shafts tonight is because the car's developed an awful rattle. I haven't changed a few shafts before due to clutch kicks. Aye, fucking 6 neutrals. She let off some bang. Big John gave me a push, but some sort of left them behind. Basically, just before we put the new shaft in, which is one Calvin's holding, you can hear, and when you come pretty close, you can.
Yeah.
And then hopefully, no noise at all.
Tell me you love me.
I'm from Trenton, well known man. We'll not say any names because I don't know if he wants to be mentioned, but he borrowed it at 86 Fest last year because his driveshaft shafts, which are £1,600 for a set, one of them broke, and I lent him that for the day on his high performance drift car. And
RB25.
yeah,
GT86.
Right.
I don't listen to that anymore, but all like, it's all like stuff.
Lord?
No,
I don't know if I've ever listened to
anything on my
Lord,
stuff,
really?
like,
Sparking in touch, feeling good on a Wednesday. Giving me the hope, giving me the hope to go on.
I haven't even
Well,
bought that in
that's a shock.
2017. Well, I did. I bought it in November 17, but
That was the first one in Northern Ireland to buy it.
looked at it. Here.
I thought this was going to be a drive shaft video. It's actually just a Google Nest install.
How to install your Google Nest. I put it there. There?
Yeah.
On there. You want all power, so you're not knocking shit over. You're not like, you've got all your tools.
I put it higher, like.
You're not going to hit it with such a milestone then.
It's,
I can't believe you've done this, James.
Should I
You've used
delete
all
it?
my quick data. Here. There. Fox. And then cut another hole here to tuck the wire in. Three vents and all to let the fucking dandruff out.
For flying planes.
Yes. Aye, so when the wheels off the car, like, you know, I'll just have a wee look at it because I was using it as a seat. I lost mention the brand of this tyre, but it's very well known in the Irish Diff community. Either Wessex. They're just the odd wee, you know, dimple here, there, and you turn it around. Whoa.
Lovely.
Jesus, boy. Bring a spare with us. But I won't be driving on the road with that again, unless, you know, going home or going up from the
no rust.
No rust, apart from all the rust covering the rust. Don't see under it.
What you doing there, Cal? Give me some buds. Ready for insertion?
Greasing the bolts up before refitting the differential, which is beside James. There's something alright. Because I haven't taken it away yet.
Yes.
You see, yeah.